Good evening to everyone. And first of all, it was really wonderful to see the energetic kids performing here. And you know very well, people are waiting for the prizes and awards now. But otherwise, you know, adventurous sports, especially you know, the kung fu and karate and other things, it will not only improve the physical health, it will also very much improve the mental health also. It can be concentration, it can be cognition, or it can be memory also. And they have already told me to speak few words, and we're going to speak few words for you. Working in the area of neuroscience for almost past 30 years, we have understood that, you know, the people who have been really, you know, putting their brain into action, their life will be very much useful, especially as far as memory is concerned. There's a disease called Alzheimer's disease. You would have heard about it. It's mainly characterized by memory loss. People who are involved in these kind of activities, their brains are triggered. You know, the neurons are, you know, always in a very good condition. And I'm very hopeful that such people will definitely work for the country and the society also. Finally, there are three things we observed. I was just talking to Colonel. I was sitting there. Shistu, Samyam, and Rashtra Prema. These are very, very important. Colonel ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಿಸ್ತು ಅದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಆನಂತರ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಯಮ, ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸುಮಾರು 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಹುಡುಕಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಂಥ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಖಂಡಿತ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ವಾಸವರ್ಗದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ವಯಸ್ಸೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರೋ ರಹಸ್ಯ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋಹನ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ the greatest master of kung fu is Hitman and considered. I have seen that movie also. Hitman 1, Hitman 2. And I have also seen the Karate Kid also. But I am really wonderful to see Mr. Mohan here. And hopefully ಸುಮಾರು ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. I think ಭಾರತದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮೂವಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕುಂಗ್ ಫು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಮೋಹನ್ ಅವರು.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable words.